Hello, I'm Mr. Gary and welcome to my channel. In this lesson we're going to look at the future continuous tense. We need to examine 3 or 4 components. What is the future continuous tense? How do we make the future continuous tense? And we will look at some examples about the future continuous tense. You're going to need plenty of practice to be able to master this particular area of grammar. So, without further ado, let's get on with it. What is future continuous tense? Well, first of all, we have to examine the concept of what the future continuous tense is. And the future continuous tense in British English can be referred to as a future progressive tense in American English. It tells us that something will start in the future and it will continue for a certain length of time. We might not always know how long or what the duration of the time is of that event, so it continues over that particular length of time. If we think about present continuous tense or present progressive tense, all we're doing is we're taking that length of time, and instead of it beginning in the past, the event will begin in the future. Let's have a look at a timeline now so you can see how a future continuous tense might look and see what its purposes are in the English language. Future continuous tense timeline. Let's draw a little line now. And what we will do is we will put an X in the middle of that line. That represents now, the moment of speaking. The circle represents the event start time, or the event start. So we are referring to when the event starts with the future continuous. Now that we know what the future continuous tense is, we need to have a look and learn how can we make the future continuous tense. What is the formula for it typically? So let's begin by adding a subject plus will plus be plus verb ing. So that's the continuous form of the verb. We can continue this usually by adding a time marker. However, a preposition would be needed between the time marker and the tense itself. Example, I'll be leaving in 5 minutes. So now that we know what the future continuous tense is, and now we know how to make it, I think it's time that we have a look at some really good examples so that you can practice it with this video and see how you can use the future continuous tense in real world situations. I hope you continue watching the video all the way to the end. Oh hi, it's Mr. Gary. Today we will be looking around the Roblox game of Adopt Me. We will be leaving the house very soon. What's going on in the village today, and what curious creatures we will be seeing. Let's go! Will be getting my cat out of my bag in a moment. Let's try. There we go, that's better. Oh, and it looks like we will be opening some gifts. Watch the cat. It will start following me. have a look around the village to see what is happening around and what other things are happening that are going to be interesting. Let's see what this man says. Oh, he wants me to buy roller skates for $300. I'll be giving that a miss. Roller skates. Excellent. Oh, it looks like I have some fans who are joining me. Following the arrows until we go and buy some drinks. I already have some drinks in my backpack, but I don't want to use them. I can buy some more because I still have $411. I'll be talking to the bee in a moment. Let's see what we do now. Hello there, I'm Beatrice, the Queen Bee. Don't mind me, I'm just selling the honey that Archie stole off us. This will help pay the bees for their work. And if he ever tries to put honey in coffee again, I'll be here waiting for another strike. That's Archer, by the way. If you have never played this game before, I started playing it this week. I think they just like to follow me around. Some of my students play this game, so they like to join. I wonder why they like to play it anyway, as if the answer's not obvious. We'll be visiting the playground in a moment. Here we go. Some of these little games use weave, so this is to get the cat trained or let it play around in the playground so it can have some fun. Oh my goodness me, what is that? Catapult stroller now. Oh, there we go. That was kind. Oh, and I got $20, a $20 bonus. I think we'll be spending that here at this little shop. Glad you came here. I'm really scared right now. We used honey as our special ingredient, but the bees have relabeled it because they underpaid, so you smashed it up. Right, let's get some tea bought or some coffee. Right, well, I hope you all enjoyed that little Roblox adventure.
Now it's over to you. What examples of the future continuous did you notice in that video? Can you comment with the examples that I left? Perhaps you have some other examples of the future continuous tense. If you do, comment them below. I'd love to see your examples and see how you can use this particular tense in your everyday English language. Thank you so much for watching. That brings to an end this video. You might want to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button down there. Make sure you set your notifications to all. You might also wish to go into my playlist. I'll put a playlist just here and a recommended video just here if you want to find out more about me or my channel. Once again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.